Little look at the garden. Collard greens, y'all looking good. This black nightshade plant, I think it's just here for protection from pests in the garden. I know they say the little berries on them are kind of poisonous. You need to keep your animals away from it. But it's supposed to help with the pest control in your garden. So that's why I hadn't pulled it up. I pulled it up before and then I researched it and that's what it was saying. So I'm gonna keep it in this area to help fight any of the pest damage that my collard greens may get. Okay, mustard greens over here. I see some mustard greens that I sowed the seeds on coming up. Okay, come on up, mustard greens. Fill this bed up with mustard greens. Over here, I see some spinach. Spinach coming up. Okay, spinach. Come on, get bigger, please, for us. And over here, I have some more Jamaican sorrel that I need to harvest. Look at that beautiful Jamaican sorrel there. Oh, Lord. Got a lot that I need to harvest here. Looking great, yes. Yes. Oh boy, my okra plant. I let y'all get too big. Oh yes, look at you, look at you. Y'all grow back so fast. Don't give me time to get out here to harvest you. Oh, I'm gonna have to get another step stool to get up there to get you guys. Y'all get tall. Oh, I may just have to save the seeds on those because I let those get too big to eat. Okay, let me get busy harvesting this okra. My chili peppers over here look like they're getting bigger. Come on, get bigger for us. My Acapulco peppers, they've gotten a little bigger as well. Y'all get bigger where I can dry you guys out and make me some chili seasoning, chili pepper seasoning. I have bell peppers. Look at that, another bell pepper right there. Okay. Do I see any more bell peppers? I need to harvest these bell peppers here. Oh, I see another little one growing there. Look at the flower blooming on it. Some more peppers are coming. More bell peppers are coming. Look at that. I see you. Look at all those beautiful flowers that's blooming. More bell peppers coming. Look at this bell pepper plant. It's finally blooming. Some flowers on it, and look at that. A lot more bell peppers are finally coming. Look at all of those beautiful flowers blooming there. Okay. Now look over here. Look like the jalapeno plant wants to wait till late in the season and want to really bloom. Look at all of these flowers blooming over here. Okay, jalapeno peppers. Come on and grow us some more jalapeno peppers. Yes. Yes. Beautiful flowers blooming. Oh, look at that one jalapeno pepper there. I see you. Look, that was one right there. Okay. Now I gotta get a little bigger for me. Come on. Get a little red one there. Okay, I see a lot of blooms over here. Come on, jalapeno peppers. Continue to grow big and beautiful for us. Look like I'm gonna have to plant some more cabbage over in here. All of them look like they died out. And the broccoli plants here, like something's eating on them. So I gotta do some more sowing of some cabbage seeds or get some more cabbage transplants and put over in this bed. Look at my beautiful lemongrass growing taller. I'm gonna have to get it in a bigger pot. Looks nice. And this one over here looking nice too. Look at my Jamaican sorrel. Okay, today gonna be Jamaican sorrel harvest day. Yes. Lavender, you're looking good down there. Oh, look at the lavender over here. Okay. Smell you too. Okay, some more Jamaican sorrel to harvest here. Okay, I have some of my lettuce coming up. Cabbage looking good there. Some more lettuce over on that end. And my cabbage over here is looking good. I don't see any of my onions yet. Come on, onions. My sweet potato slips are growing good over here. The ones that I planted in here from the sweet potato vines, they're sprouting up now. Okay, come on, fill this bed up with sweet potatoes. I see little humps coming up in the potato bed, russet potato bed area, but I don't see any leaves coming up yet. Okay, come on. Come on, sweet potatoes and russet potatoes. Grow a lot for us. In this bed, I sowed a lot of collard greens and mustard greens. I see some of the collard greens are coming up. Come on, collard greens. Mustard greens are coming up over here. Come on, mustard greens. My zinnia's still looking beautiful. My lettuce bed is looking good over here. Look at all of those beautiful lettuce have germinated already. Come on. Lettuce seeds I sowed over here. Sprouting out. I'm gonna make me a full bed of lettuce here. My kale, I'm gonna go get me some more kale and add in this bed. Eggplant. Are you gonna ever grow me an eggplant this season? Keep seeing all the beautiful flowers that you keep sending out here, but no eggplants yet. Come on. Basil, you looking good there? Yes, you are. Okay, eggplant. Come on and grow us some eggplants. Today's harvest from Big Mama's garden: okra, a bell pepper, and some Jamaican sorrel. Looking good.